Wall Street is set for another higher open on Wednesday. Geopolitical tensions in the Korean Peninsula have abated, helping to boost global stock markets. Now, later today, more details are awaited about when the Fed will begin to ease off its $4.5 trillion balance sheet. The Fed releases minutes of the FOMC's July 25th to 26th meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern. In terms of economic data, home builders pull back on construction of apartment complexes in July. The Commerce Department says housing starts fell 4.8% in July to a seasonally adjusted rate of 1.16 million. Meanwhile, building permits fell 4.1% to 1.22 million. And in the previous session, U.S. indices closed mixed. Shares in the retail and consumer durables and apparel, as well as telecommunication sectors, were under pressure. Meanwhile, shares in the tech, hardware and equipment, food, beverage and tobacco, as well as consumer services, gained some strength. 54% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower in the previous session. Now moving on to company news, Target reported adjusted quarterly profit of $1.23 per share, above estimates. The retailer also beat forecasts on the top line and full-year outlook. The retailer does expect increased customer traffic in its stores as well as increased online sales. And in more company news, Amazon is also in the spotlight this morning. The company continues to focus on convenience with Amazon Instant Pickup. It is a new service that lets customers order from a limited list of basic items as well as Amazon devices. And then customers can pick them up from a nearby pickup locker within 2 minutes. Looking at overseas markets, Asian markets were mixed today. The Nikkei off 0.1%, the Hang Seng gaining 0.9%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.6%. European indices are higher today. And in the U.S., the Dow Jones Industrial Average is in the spotlight. The target stands at 22,080, and long positions above 21,925 are preferred, with targets standing at 22,050 and 22,080. As for the S&P 500, the upside prevails, and for the Nasdaq, trading central analysts say to look for the 5970 level.